All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can make a quick video, about 5 minutes or less. I'm gonna do three, actually one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, 5 different video cards. All right. So the first video card that you're watching right now, it's hooked up, but I can't show you. But it's the this one right here. It's the Elgato HD60 S. All right, this is the one. The best one I think is for quality, but the only problem is it has a huge delay on it. And I tried messing with the settings in OBS, but it kept shifting. So for quality, I think it's the best, but I just can't get the audio right. But how you tell if it's a delay? I'm gonna clap like this. 1, 2, 3, and everything should be in sync, but there's going to be a delay. So now I'm going to disconnect that one, hook up. The next one is going to be the Cam Link 4K. I'm going to do that one next, all right? So this is the one that I just had hooked up right here, the HD60 S. All right, like I said, this is the best quality right here, but the delay. So now let's test out the delay on this one. 1, 2, 3. That's that one. And you can go back and rewind and kind of look at the quality. You know, look at back here the lights, the detail in the back. Also, too, look at the buttons and how clear like the DJ Fox is right here compared to the other ones. And I want to do that too on the next ones moving forward. So now I'm going to disconnect the Cam Link, and now I'm going to go to this is the Flint. So this is I think the next in line. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna go quality high all the way down to low. So this is gonna be the next one right here. This is next. Hooking it up. Give it time. Still searching. Nope. All right. All right. So like I said, this right here is like the next one below the Cam Link. Checking delay again. 1, 2, 3. All right. Check the colors. I can see like the colors are more deeper, kind of washed out. Looking down here, looking at the detail on the turntables and everything. All right. So I'm not changing anything. The lighting is still. I got a light right here, and I got a light back there, and that's it. I'm not changing anything. So next one I'm gonna do is a little cheap alternative. This like between $35 and $50 right here. All right, so I'm gonna do this one now. All right. Boom. All right, here's another one. So cheap alternative. All right. So this one right here with what you're watching, and the next one I'm going to show you. These are the one that's on Amazon. You can get them for like 35 to like 50 bucks. All right. But they max out at 1080, 30 frames per second. Delay check. 1, 2, 3. All right. So now we're going to hook this one up next. All right. So there you go again. Delay check. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Checking detail here. Checking detail here. Everything that's around, the colors. All right. And that's pretty much it.